See, this is what I was trying to get in, but y'all told me not.
Come, Papa.
Going home.
Come, Papa. Papa. Come, Papa.
Stop walking. I just like that.
Don't go. Let's go now.
Here we go. That way.
I don't know, but I think so.
You even wanted you.
Ndio hiyo. Mara umako.
Then you can walk back to you.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Guy! Nigga, mother for Borussia.
Where are you gonna go?
Let's go.
I don't know what he's saying.
It comes with names.
Oh. Non, mais tu vois, nous, à chaque fois,
Niki mo hari ha uni to die.
Wow. Wow.
And that was the end of today's tour. This is the train station. But today we have a car. We won't be boarding a train. This is called Canary, and it's such a beautiful city. They said it's a city by itself, and it's super, super, super beautiful, especially at this hour of night. It is very beautiful. Um, it was a nice tour, and we enjoyed it. We have one more day here in London, and in in just 2 days we will be exiting this place. But honestly speaking, it's a nice place, and we had a blast, and we can come back again and again and again. So bye bye, guys. For now, see you next in the next video, because my Mr. Kaman has just joined me, and I cannot be able to walk with him as I do things. All right, thank you so much. Oh, who is this? Look who is here.
What is that?
Gosh, looks like he can bite people.
Nah, you could probably keep that.
I don't trust it. I don't trust it. It looks like a dangerous animal.
Honestly, I'm so surprised by how open.
So, guys, see you when you see me, and keep subscribing.